complainant has heard him say. Now we are not, as my learned senior has rightly and fairly submitted, he has not challenged the FIR. So
because it was not there.
Yes, he has not challenged. So we are in a writ petition where FIR is not challenged, only 35(3) is challenged. So your lordship is basically looking at the procedural part of the investigation, to which my learned friend has no right to challenge. He has no right to the procedure, my lord. But I have seen the order, my lord.
That is relating to certain birth and death certificate.
Death certificate at a particular Gram Panchayat. Now, the accused in the complaint, now reads paragraph 6. Now read paragraph 6 of the writ petition. Then read the complaint.
Around 3,600.
Yeah, 1 second, Mr. Bhattacharya.
Around 3,600 certificates.
May I just answer the lordship's query and then after time?
Very
Kindly read paragraph 6 of the writ petition. Page 6. Page 6, para 6. Your lordship has taken the order at page 35, Mullah. Yes. Your petitioner further states that the incident 35(3) notice is being given to the petitioner in connection with Gosava PS so reflects the fact that the instant case has been registered against the petitioner for making a video in YouTube channel on so wherein the petitioner have reflected the direction and observation of the Honorable Justice so passed in video in versus so. So he has reflected his views. That is his case. Now read the complaint. First page, Mullah, if having the Bengali complaint also, can you take the first page bottom?
Yes.
While having the complaint letter, Mullah. Can you take the first page bottom? Sanmay Banerjee তার ভিডিওতে যে বক্তব্য পোষণ করেছেন তার সম্পূর্ণ মিথ্যা। So it is falling under এই দায়ের হচ্ছে 25/4/2025 তারিখে, অথচ গোসাবা থানায় অনেক আগে 6/3/2025 তারিখে উক্ত দাবি করা হয় সার্টিফিকেটের মাধ্যমে যা সুবিধা শাসক দলের তৃণমূল কংগ্রেস পাচ্ছে তাই করেন এবং এখন রাজনীতিতে জাতিগত পরিচয়ের ভিত্তিতে এক সংখ্যালঘু গোষ্ঠীকে লক্ষ্য করা হয়, যা জনসাধারণের মধ্যে বিদ্বেষ ও উত্তেজনা ছড়াতে পারে। সবচেয়ে উদ্বেগজনক বিষয় হলো উক্ত ভিডিওতে পুলিশ ভোট জালিয়াতি অংশীদার হিসেবে উল্লেখ করে বলা হয়েছে তাদের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, তারা নিজের সুরক্ষা নিজেরাই করুন, যা জনসাধারণকে আইন শৃঙ্খলা বাহিনীকে অবিশ্বাস করতে শেখায় এবং কখনো কখনো তা আইন নিজের হাতে তুলে নেওয়ার ইঙ্গিত দেয়। দেন স্কিপস ওভার দ্য নেক্সট প্যারাগ্রাফ, ক্যান টেক দ্য ফোর্থ প্যারাগ্রাফ। এই ভিডিওতে শ্রী সোয়েনসো সম্পূর্ণ সচেতনভাবে মিথ্যা ও পরিবেশ করেন, উৎস বা প্রমাণ উপস্থাপনা না করে শুধুমাত্র আলোচনা জোরদার করবার জন্য তিনি এই তথ্য ছড়িয়েছেন।
Have you retrieved the video?
আপনারটা অথরিটি দেওয়া হয়েছে না? Some data regarding the petitioner by
The transcript of the video.
Transcript, entire transcript is not there. I will explain part of the repetition because it is their video, but for me to bring it, I'll take some time.
FIR at that point of time which was available.
But having the repetition subject matter and kindly see what ground.
Mr. Banerjee, until and unless I see the transcript clearly, it would not be possible for me to appreciate whether this has been said or not said. This is up.
That is on the FIR, my lord.
This is on the FIR.
They are not challenging the FIR. They are saying the procedure of
is wrong. We have got to see the totality of the circumstances.
Kindly see the ground of challenge. Kindly see paragraph 11. Kindly see where the shoe has pinched. The shoe has pinched, my lord, because they say that it was hostile and intimidating manner. That is the ground.
That is a part of your case you investigate. Right now, I am not commenting. But the fact remains there was an investigation regarding to this order.
Earlier matter.
This
earlier matter,
Justice as order is absolutely incorrect or correct? I mean, this information which was furnished. I'm not saying
information is from my report.
That's so far as the birth and death certificates which are
correct.
Correct.
It is correct.
Correct. So this up to this, it is all right that some certain issues were there. Now, while discussing the issues in respect of the order, he has transgressed his limits.
No, he said that the petitioner have reflected the direction and observation. Is the reflection and direction, I ask this question to myself, whether reflection and direction can contain a discussion of Rohingyas, which is not there in the order of the coordinate bench.
Rohingyas are citizens of India.
Number one. Number two, whether the direction contained any aspersions on the police force or the DIG of West Bengal.
All right, you want to, after the transcript, you want to interrogate or before the transcript, you tell me. Then I've got to pass some orders, sir, because these are cases which will be increasing with the forthcoming year. I understand.
Malad, in my humble submission, Malad, the
Carry on the investigation, sir. Let him appear virtually, produce a transcript. Thereafter, I will take a decision because the full this is on the information. See, there is a
from the order. The order is a 2-page order, Malad.
Order is regarding some birth and death certificates, the genuinity of the same.
Yes.
I'm not traveling beyond that also.
Malad, say that the FIR has been registered at the
I have personally
directions of the honorable court.
I have personally gone through my
আজকে কেসে এমনি কোর্টে গেলে বেল পেয়ে যাবে পুলিশ যাবে না
Might be.
I have personally gone through the streaming alert. The
if you
state
goes your police authority to the court and obtains bail you will not be able to get hold of the person anymore.
Malad, my submission is Malad. What I'm trying to submit is that Malad, the transcript is required if the petitioner had challenged the FIR.
No,
But
I
here we are on the basis of a complaint.
I'm saying
the
for
thing
need to
is
file a
that-
supplementary affidavit.
By supplementary evidence, you modify the players.
No, the
I am
state-
not asking for I will not enter into the zone. I will just assess regarding the correctness of the accusation whether the person who has delivered something in the YouTube channel, his YouTube channel, transgress the limits or not, because this is a statement made by a person.
Malad,
This is a statement, I will say a statement made by a person.
Malad,
The
this-
complaint.
yes, Malad, this has to be read in the light of his statement in the paragraph 6
But I have the
Where-
video already.
where
One
is-
second, I can hand it over.
that he has reflected the directions and observations. Malad, these paragraphs reflect what he has said in the video according to the complainant. And he says that he has only discussed the order. Well, I asked this question to myself that
So
these
discussion of the order, Mr. Bandhavale, discussion of the order and the excess part where you have pointed out makes out an offense is a part of the YouTube.
and part of the investigation.
Actually, that is why you are investigating.
Right.
Otherwise, you should
So, Malad, when he is challenging not the FIR but only the 35(3), he is basically challenging a procedural step. That procedural step, Malad, has to be tested at the anvil of the two grounds he has made out. One ground was the FIR was not uploaded, which has been uploaded on 21st July. The other ground is, Malad, paragraph 11. Kindly see paragraph 11. He says why so many police officers came to deliver the notice. That is his ground. But that cannot be a ground. But on that ground, 35(3) or 41A has been set aside in this country if I have read it properly.
Kindly take para 14 thereafter, Malad.
No, you file a supplementary.
I'll file a supplementary, Malad.
You-
Malad, I am seeking formal leave, Malad.
Mr. Bandhavale, do you intend to interrogate him or just want him to visit Ghosh? Which is your primary aim? Well, I don't find much heinousness in the offense right now.
Malad, 41A, Malad, is a balance. Malad, if your lordship direct Malad them to appear virtually, that balance is lost. The balance is between Malad arresting and also preserving a person's right.
There is no scope for arresting in this case, sir.
Malad, that is the purpose of 41A. But on these two grounds, which has been made out in the writ petition, if your lordship directs him to appear virtually, Malad, that will disturb this balance which was meant by introducing 41A. But 502 is a Malad,
You make out a better section case. Case with better sections, you might.
153A can be given if there was no publication, but in this case, there's a publication.
That is why I am not pronouncing what to give and what not to give, sir. You could have.
Well, very well. I'll produce the transcript, Malad.
You understand that is what.
Whether, Malad, there was compliance with section 173, subsection 3 of the BNSS, Malad, should also be indicated by the state.
Well, if he has made out that case, I'll indicate. If he has not made out the case,
It's a question of law.
if he has not made out the case, then I don't need to meet him.
Malad, I was seeking.
Usually because some conference happens in court, I did not meet every point.
For one, it is required. For two, it is not required. Two is a cognizable offense.
Both.
3 to 7 years.
So for that,
Both are cognizable.
No, one is non-cognizable.
now here, no, this one,
3 years or more, but less than 7 years.
35.
And Malad, I was seeking formal leave of your lordship, Malad, apart from Malad, enclosing Malad the transcript. Malad, if I am also Malad permitted, Malad, to enclose Malad the
You
streaming.
have other sections you have not given that.
Malad, we have gone by the complaint, Malad.
Malad, I have personally
Not
gone
like
through
Malad,
the
the police-
streaming, Malad, of the proceedings of
So
court
then
14.
what you intended to do, I have no issues regarding that. But a bit more carefully, a superior officer should have
So this is
monitored.
they keep on attempting, Malad. They
Not-
not attempt.
not
First,
attempt.
Malad, I was arrested. I arrested the honorable. Oh, you said that is the consideration, Malad.
No, that is one of the considerations.
Put it on affidavit, Malad.
You want to interrogate him, Mr. You tell me,
Also, yes.
Mr. Bandhavale, you want to interrogate
I
him?
want to interrogate.
Wait till some time. You file the transcript. You tell me.
Malad, I want to interrogate him. In the meantime, if they cannot file the transcript, we'll file the transcript.
transcript. Malad. I am seeking for Malad leave, Malad.
Both of you, be ready. You be ready.
And Malad, the live streaming link also. I need Malad formal leave, Malad. I have personally gone through the live streaming link. I have seen the Malad video also. There is no excess part, Malad.
Yes. Leave is granted A to the petitioner to file supplementary affidavit to the limited to the extent of enclosing the transcript of the YouTube. Full stop. State would, if it is possible for the state to prepare the transcript in the limited period of time, state would also prepare the transcript. for the court to check the veracity in respect of the accusations made in the complaint, as well as the materials appearing while transmission of the it's a news channel or what is it?
It's a YouTube channel.
It's a YouTube.
Style news channel.
It's a YouTube channel.
Transmission through the YouTube channel. Full stop. Petitioner stays at
But he stays in Agarwal.
Under Khorda PS.
within the jurisdiction of
Khorda
Or the police station.
the police station and has been called by the
Goshaba.
Goshaba police station in connection with
Goshaba PS case number 259 of
Goshaba police station case number
259 of 2025,
259/25
dated 18 July 2025.
dated 18 July 2025. A notice under section 35(3) of BNSS has been served on him. Petitioner would provide a link for appearance to virtual mode before the investigating officer till the next date of hearing.
Kindly fixes the date and time.
Till the next,
Otherwise,
I'll fix it. Till the next date of hearing. Acha, in the meantime, you don't need to go outside the state, I believe.
No, I'm here.
Huh?
I'm here, my lord.
Acha, so I'm just telling that in case you go out of the state, you should inform the investigating officer. Some binding must be there.
Yes.
In case the petitioner intends to go out of the state of West Bengal, he should inform the investigating officer of the aforesaid case. State is directed to produce the case diary on the next date. How much time do you take?
But I can do it by Monday, my lord.
এত তাড়াতাড়ি আমি পারবো না, আমাকে 8 মাস টাইম দিতে হবে। You are working 2.5 days a week, sir.
জানি তো।
I am here, my lord. We are here, my lord.
After 15th time keeping this, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, 22nd August time keeping this.
Yes, kindly fix the date for the interrogation, for the complaint.
You send a link.
Your lordship has recorded that the petitioner will send a link. That is why I'm saying.
I'll provide an email address, my lord, to Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
হ্যাঁ, ওইখানে লিংকটা বলেছি না?
Your lordship has recorded petitioner will send a link.
আচ্ছা, ওটা কেটে দিন। The investigating officer will send a mail.
But kindly fixes the date,
আচ্ছা, ঠিক আছে।
any date 11 AM, because the last notice had 11 AM if I'm not wrong.
The investigating officer will fix a date. আজকে কত তারিখ? 25 তো। Monday I'm 28 virtual mode, anytime can be. On at 11 AM on
Make it Tuesday. The order has to be uploaded.
হয়ে যাবে।
28th.
Fridays we have got to wrap up everything actually. 11 AM on 28th of July 2025. Subsequent dates if any. If on any subsequent date the petitioner intends to interrogate the petitioner, the said date may be communicated to the petitioner on the same date or or at the mail address
48 hours in
which 48 hours.
No, in a similar case, my lord, directed, my lord.
But we have not tested whether it's similar or not. We have not tested.
কি হলো?
I am here, my lord, to submit before.
22nd day তো রাখছি মামলা। হ্যাঁ,
Well, it is understood between us that they will send the email ID today itself.
now he will do it. হ্যাঁ, কি হলো?
The said date may be communicated to the petitioner at the same date or at the mail address.
Or through the mail address provided by the petitioner. Full stop. ওই 22 করে দাও। List the petition under the heading specially fixed matter on 22nd of August 2025. এটা কি রিপোর্ট নাকি ওটা FIR লাগবে না আমার? You file the supplementary incorporate the FIR also.
The cases of 505 is paradox of tolerance.
My
But
lord,
where the tolerance lies, there cannot be any straitjacket for.
they have the email ID, my lord. They have in fact served the notice by.
No,
Let's use the same email ID.
Sir, if you have saved that what he has written,
My lord,
I will say they have granted concession to you.
my lord, I'll tell your lordship what. My lord, I'll tell your lordship now that the matter is over. I'll tell your lordship I have seen, my lord, the.
It is never over till a final order is passed.
I have seen, my lord, the live transmission, my lord, of court number 14. The state came and submitted that it's a huge scam. Around 3,600 birth certificates are
That's
fake.
not the issue.
No, the state submitted that there's involvement of Bangladeshis. We intend to
Yeah.
file the report
So
in a
it is
sealed
beyond
cover.
paragraph 6.
In a sealed
So
cover.
it is beyond paragraph 6.
So that were the submissions of the state.
But
and
that
thereafter-
is not treated in paragraph 6.
No, they are not saying that since an investigation is going on, there is a problem. The problem is regarding the interpretation of
Of
that.
the order.
My lord, I have.
And bringing in Rohingyas, being in
No, I have
BID West
seen.
Bengal.
I have seen it, my lord. I have seen it
If
also,
that
my
is
lord.
not there, it is
And there is nothing, my lord, mentioned about any mosque or anything, my lord. That is an addition, my
Mosque
lord,
is
made by
not
the
there in the
state.
complaint also.
That is there in the complaint. Mr. Bandyopadhyay has already declared it
yes,
second, my lord.
yes,
Grateful.
yes.
But the affidavit of service will be kept.
We are মামলা নাকি হয়ে গেল যাও।
My lord, It is understood, my lord, the address at which they had served the 35(3) notice, my lord, they will, my lord,
You give your email address now.
yes, they served it an email also additionally.
There